Welcome to TechEd. What if I told you that living to 100 or even 120 might not be science fiction anymore? Thanks to groundbreaking innovations in science and technology, we are now closer than ever to extending not just our lifespan, but our health span. The years we live in good health. In today's video, we will explore 10 emerging technologies that could help humans live longer. Some of these are already here, while others are on the horizon. But all of them have the potential to completely transform the way we think about aging. So let's dive in. Number 1. Gene editing. CRISPR and beyond. Imagine if we could go into your DNA, the instruction manual of your body, and simply delete harmful mutations or even switch on genes that make you healthier. That's exactly what gene editing is all about. With tools like CRISPR Cas9, scientists can now cut and rewrite DNA like editing text in a document. This means one day we could erase genetic diseases, slow down the aging process, and even make humans resistant to certain illness. CRISPR has already cured some rare blood diseases in clinical trials. In the future, it might keep our cells younger, healthier, and far more resistant to the wear and tear of aging. Number 2. Regenerative medicine and stem cells. Picture this. You are 90 years old, but your heart, liver, or even your brain can be recharged with fresh, new cells. That is the promise of stem cell therapy. Stem cells are like the body's master repair kit. They can transform into almost any type of cell, from neurons to muscle cells. Researchers are already working on regenerating tissues, healing spinal cord injuries, and even growing new organs in the lab. In the future, instead of waiting for organ donors, you could simply order a new organ made from your own cells. It is like upgrading your body with spare parts. Number 3. Nanomedicine. Now, let's go microscopic. Imagine tiny robots smaller than a human hair swimming inside your bloodstream. These nanobots could detect diseases, repair cells, and deliver drugs right where they are needed. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it is already happening in early trials. Nanomedicines could clear cholesterol from arteries, destroy cancer cells before they spread, continuously repair microscopic damage in our tissues. Think of it as having millions of tiny doctors inside your body, working 24/7 to keep you young and healthy. Number 4. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. AI isn't just powering chatbots and self-driving cars. It is also reshaping medicine. Artificial intelligence can analyze massive amounts of medical data and spot problems way before human doctors can. Here is what AI can do for longevity. Predict diseases before symptoms even appear. Personalize treatments for your unique body. Discover new drugs in months instead of years. For example, AI systems have already helped design new proteins that could lead to treatments for cancer and Alzheimer's. Imagine having your own AI health coach, monitoring your body 24 hours and telling you exactly what need to do to live longer. That is the future we are heading toward. Number 5. 3D bioprinting. We have all heard of 3D printing. But did you know scientists can now print human tissues and organs using living cells as ink? Bioprinters are creating skin, cartilage, and even parts of kidneys. The big goal: printing fully functional organs like hearts, livers, and lungs. That means no more waiting lists for transplant, no risks of organ rejection because it is made from your cells. The ability to replace worn out body parts almost like changing a car engine. If perfected, 3D bioprinting could practically eliminate organ failure as a cause of death. Number 6. Wearable and implantable health monitors. You might already have a smartwatch that tracks your heart rate or sleep. But the next generation of health monitors will go way beyond that. Soon, we will have tiny implants that track blood sugar, cholesterol, and even early signs of cancer in real time. Imagine getting an alert on your phone warning possible tumor cells detected. Please see your doctor immediately. Catching diseases early is the key to saving lives. With continuous monitoring, you will know about problems long before they become life-threatening. That is a huge leap for longevity. Number 7. Anti-aging drugs and Senolytics. What if a field could actually slow aging? Well, scientists are working on it. There is a new class of drug called Senolytics, which target old damaged cells known as jumble cells that cause inflammation and aging. Clearing them out in animals has been shown to extend lifespan. Other drugs like metformin, a common diabetes drug, and rapamycin are also being tested for anti-aging effects. The dream is to have an anti-aging pill that keeps your body biologically younger for decades longer. Number 8. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Now, what's the point of living longer if we lose our memory or brain function? That is where brain-computer interfaces come in. Companies like Neuralink are developing chips that connect the brain directly to computers. This could help people with paralysis restore vision or even treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In the long run, BCIs could enhance memory, boost learning, and maybe even allow humans to back up their brains. Living longer is great, but living longer with a sharp mind is even better. Number 9. Personalized genomics, and precision medicine. Here is the thing, no two people age the same way. That is why precision medicine is so powerful. By studying your DNA, doctors can predict what diseases you are at risk for and design personalized treatment just for you. For example, if your genes show a higher risk of heart disease, doctors could give you a preventive plan decades before problems appear. It is like having a custom health roadmap designed specifically for your body. This means fewer side effects, more effective treatments, and ultimately a longer, healthier life. Number 10, Cryonics and advanced preservation. And finally, let's talk about the most futuristic idea of all, cryonics. This is the process of freezing the body at super low temperatures after death, with the hope of reviving it when future science has advanced enough to cure your disease. It sounds like science fiction, but cryonics companies already exist, and research in tissue preservation is making real progress. Even if full revival isn't possible yet, these technologies are improving organ storage for transplants, and that is a big step toward extending life. So, there you have it, 10 incredible technologies that could help humans live longer. From gene editing to AI, from nanobots to brain-computer interfaces, the future of longevity looks more promising than ever. But here is the real question. Would you actually want to live to 120 or even beyond? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechEd for more amazing content on the future of technology. Because the future is coming faster than you think, and you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.